Hi kids, welcome you back to my English class. Let's review all the vocabulary that you learned previously. Are you ready? Yes, let's go.
A. Listen and point. Repeat. Happy, happy, happy. Sad, 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 sad. Fine, okay. Fine, okay. Fine, okay. Great, great. Happy, happy, happy.
Good. Now it's time for you to read all the words on their own. Bây giờ đến lúc mà các em tự đọc lại các từ tự mình đọc nha.
Happy,
Good job.
sad. Fine, okay. Great, B. Listen and point. 1.
Hello, Bill.
Hi, Kim.
How are you?
I'm great.
2.
How are you, Kim?
I'm okay.
3.
How are you, Lola? I'm sad. Oh no!
C.
Sing.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm great.
I'm great.
Ok, các bạn hãy dừng video của cô giáo lại và các bạn đọc lại lời bài hát này nha. Ok, that's all for today. Bye bye guys.